The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is nearing launch, showcasing a refined design with a slimmer chassis, larger displays, upgraded performance, enhanced cameras, and a more lightweight construction. In 2025, the foldable smartphone landscape is fiercely competitive, with strong rivals from Chinese brands such as Oppo, Vivo, Huawei, and Honor. As foldables trend toward more compact form factors, Samsung is pushing the envelope with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to early leaks, Samsung has thoroughly refined this device to be its thinnest foldable yet. Despite the weight reduction, the handset is rumored to offer a larger, broader cover display than the Z Fold 6. Improvements to the display and a redesigned hinge for a more seamless fold are also expected. The Z Fold 7 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite processor, with speculation surrounding a potential 200MP camera upgrade. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen may lose a few functionalities this year, potentially disappointing loyal users. However, a recent leak points to an S Pen refresh for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, indicating Samsung is addressing stylus expectations. As reported on X, Samsung is developing a redesigned S Pen tailored specifically for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This iteration will likely be marginally thicker than prior versions. The critical question is whether Samsung is prioritizing better ergonomics and grip or integrating new hardware features requiring extra internal room. Unlike the Galaxy S Ultra line, which incorporates a built-in S Pen slot, the Fold series doesn't include an internal stylus compartment. Users must instead buy the S Pen separately along with a compatible case that accommodates it. This choice grants Samsung the flexibility to increase the S Pen size without compromising the Z Fold 7's internal design. While it's uncertain if the new S Pen will bring major functional upgrades, there's optimism that key features like Bluetooth support and Air actions will remain. If the redesign enhances usability without cutting core functions, it could significantly improve the Z Fold 7 experience. Reports indicate Samsung has begun software development, with the first firmware already appearing on Samsung servers. According to tipster Tarvat via SamMobile, the initial software version for the US variant of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, model number SM966U, has surfaced. The build, marked F966USQ0AME3, is reportedly based on Android 15 and One UI 7. This aligns with claims that Samsung may skip One UI 7.1 for its foldables due to delays in delivering stable One UI 7.0 updates to existing devices. Therefore, Samsung may prioritize launching foldables directly with One UI 7. A recent leak from a Chinese social platform revealed more insights into this book-style foldable specifications. According to leaker Ice Universe, Samsung is making major strides in its foldable series. Historically, the crease has been a persistent issue for foldables, but Samsung may have finally found a breakthrough with ultra-thin glass 2.0. This advanced display technology is rumored to be thinner, stronger, and significantly reduce crease visibility. A new layering process is said to improve resilience while minimizing crease appearance by up to 60%, ensuring a smoother fold and heightened touch responsiveness. Envision a foldable screen that mirrors a traditional smartphone, no harsh reflections or uneven folds. Durability remains crucial, and Samsung appears to be tackling it with a hybrid glass material that reportedly delivers triple the scratch resistance and superior pressure endurance. This could eliminate concerns over fine scratches from fingernails or debris. Additionally, rumors suggest the outer panel may sport Gorilla Glass armor, similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, for extra protection. For stylus users, the Z Fold 7 could be transformative. The new glass is said to boost pressure sensitivity, providing a more fluid, responsive writing experience. Another notable rumor involves a redesigned hinge that supports a flatter, gapless fold. This design shift would contribute to a sleeker and more compact device. Thanks to ultra-thin glass 2.0, stronger materials, and enhanced S Pen support, the Z Fold May 7th becomes Samsung's most futuristic foldable to date. Earlier leaks hinted at minor design tweaks for the predecessor, but recent reports indicate more substantial upgrades. Setsuda Digital suggests the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature numerous enhancements, including improved screens. While specifics remain vague, prior leaks suggest both the main and cover displays will be larger, reminiscent of the Galaxy Fold Special Edition. The tipster also references a re-engineered hinge and internal design, supporting previous reports of a more robust and refined hinge mechanism. Foldables still lag behind traditional phones in terms of dust and water protection. For example, the Z Fold 6 features IP48 certification compared to the IP68 rating on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While the Fold 7 is said to receive improved dust and water resistance, it's unclear whether it will meet higher IP standards. The Fold 7 is also expected to receive a new main sensor after retaining the same 50MP camera for 3 generations. Sources including Phone Arena report that Samsung plans to debut the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July 2025 at its annual Galaxy Unpacked event, in line with its established summer launch window. Now onto pricing. Rumors claim Samsung will maintain the previous pricing structure, with the Z Fold 7 starting at $1,899.99 in the US. This consistency could be good news for upgraders seeking premium features without a price hike. Design-wise, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to offer expanded displays. Insights from TechRadar hint at an 8-inch inner foldable screen and a 6.5-inch cover panel, delivering more real estate for multitasking and media. To achieve a slimmer profile, Samsung may eliminate the embedded S Pen slot, making the stylus an optional accessory. This would allow the phone to shed bulk and enhance portability. Camera enthusiasts will be pleased by reports of a 200MP main camera, a major leap from the previous model, promising richer detail and sharper imagery. Internally, the phone will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite, offering flagship-grade performance for gaming and productivity. The battery is expected to stay at 4,400 mAh, similar to the Z Fold 6, though software enhancements may improve overall battery life. On the software side, the Z Fold 7 will launch with One UI 7 atop Android 15, introducing AI-driven features for a smarter, more personalized user interface. In related developments, Samsung is also working on a tri-fold phone, potentially dubbed the Galaxy G Fold, aiming to deliver a tablet-like experience in a pocketable form. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be one of the most impressive foldables yet, at least if the latest reports are accurate. One of Samsung's most persistent hurdles has been device thickness. According to leaker Crow's Row, the company is aggressively thinning down the Fold 7, which may come at the cost of the S Pen experience. Specific compromises remain unclear. This shift could be problematic, especially since the Z Fold series lacks an integrated S Pen bay. Unlike the Galaxy S Ultra series, which includes a stylus slot, Z Fold users must purchase accessories like the S Pen Fold Edition or S Pen Pro separately. That's a welcome change. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.